Hello everyone. From this video, we are going to start a series of Over the Wire Bandit challenges. This is basically war game. This is the free of cost. You can start immediately. There are total 34 levels. We are going to divide the video in such a way that what type of challenges are given to us. In this video, we are going to cover up to level 6, 7. So let's start with the video. Our first challenge is bandit level 0. One more thing, I'm going to give you the link of this website in the description. Okay, let's start with or you can just simply search over the wire bandit, and the website will be pop up the first one only. Okay, now we are going to start the challenges. Our level 0 challenge is you can see it look like this. Okay, the 0 challenge is our level goal is the goal of this level is for you to log in using SSH. Okay, so basically in this video we are going to learn how to navigate some files, how to use a find command, how to use SSH port command. So for level 1 we are going to use command as ssh1. The port is 2220, then bandit 0 at the rate okay, bandit 0, oh my mistake, bandit 0, hit enter, and for this password is given as bandit 0 only. I'm going to copy this, paste, enter. Okay, we are successfully logging to the machine. You can see that. So how to move level 0 to level 1? The password for next level is stored in called readme file. Okay, we are going to give a command ls or lsa. This command is for listing the file. So we can see that here is readme file. The cat command is used to see the content. We got a flag or password for the next level. Let's click on the level 1 to level 2. The password in the next level is stored in called dash file. Okay, so let's left this machine, then we need to move to the next machine. Just simply log in to the bandit 1. We copied the password, hit enter, paste, and okay, so the current machine you can see that it's bandit 1. Where am I? Okay, ls command to list the files or ls all. So we need to open this file. There is a trick or challenge is that we can't simply cat this file as dash is used. We are going to cancel it. So to open dash named file we need to give dot and then slash, then dash. Okay, we find the next flag, copy this one, exit this machine, log into the next machine, 2, paste the password, hit enter, 2 to 3. The password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces. Okay, clear, then alas, this is the file. You can see that file name is spaces in this file name. So we can't directly cat like this spaces in this file name. If you try to do, then it will cat the individual file. So one way is you can just enter S and then hit tab. Remaining will be handled automatically by the system. So you can copy this, and another one is put everything inside the double colon spaces in this file name. You can see that. So clear and exit. Again we are going to move to the level 3, paste the password, hit enter, level 3 to level 4. The password stored in the hidden file in here. Okay, clear ls. Here is one folder, move to the folder. Cd command is used to move to next or a previous folder. Ls. To see the hidden file, we need to give -all command. Then okay, cat dot h. Then we got the flag. Let's copy this flag, exit. We are going to level 4. Paste the password, hit enter. How to move to the 4 to 5? So the challenge starts from here. You can see that the password for the next level is stored in only human readable file. Okay, what does this mean? Let's first of all give the clear and ls command. Cd in here, ls out, lsa. Okay, here are various files and we don't know which is the human readable file, so we need to execute a find command. The command, okay, we are going to find the file in the current folder, and the type of the file is type of file. We are piping the output. For the human readable, we can use args file. Okay, I guess spelling mistakes, x a r. Okay, you can see that the only file 7 is of ASCII type, the remaining are data files. So we need to open this file. So I'm going to copy this one and cat paste. We got our next flag. Copy this, exit, then move to 5th one. Now paste this flag. Clear the terminal, ls cd in here, ls. Okay, what's the challenge? Let's check. We are in box 5, level 5 to level 6. The password for the next level is stored in file somewhere under the in here directory. That is the following properties: human readable, 1033 byte size, and not executable. Okay, so we need to again execute the find command only. Find inside this whole folder and the type of file. Let's read what is that. The size is given, so we are going to execute the size command. It's the 1033 bytes. So you must know that in Linux, for the bytes we use C, and for the blocks we use B. So don't fall for this step. Then next is it is not executable dash executable, and finally it is the human readable. So this will be give our output. Executable spelling is wrong, ex. Okay, give me a sec. Control C. I open developer mode by mistake. Executable. Okay, this one is the file. We are going to copy this cat and then this the path. We got the flag. Control C, then exit. Next is bandit 6. So the basics of the all commands you must know, then only you can go to the next level. Okay, I'm level 6 to level 7. Clear, then ls. Okay, the file is given. Let's check what's the challenge is. the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server. Okay, we need to find in all files. For that we can use slash for finding from the start. Then we know the type is of file. In the user, they gave us as in the owned by user bandit 7. So user is bandit 7 and group is bandit 6 dash group bandit 6 and size is 33 bytes slash size 33 byte. Okay, so there are too much files. Permission denied, permission denied. We need a file. Okay, this file is only we got the result for this file only. For the other files we see that the permission denied. So let's copy this and cat this file. So we got the flag for the next file, and for login of bandit 7 level 7 we are going to use this one. So I'm going to save this one, echo not here. First I need to exit it, exit ls cd desktop echo bandit 6.txt. okay, so that's it for today's video. We crack up to the level 6 to level 7. We have password or flag for the level 7 machine. So from the level 7 I guess it started for the string one, the password for okay in the words means from this level onwards we need to work on words. So we will see in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.